How to perform a full SD card test. Press the menu button located here and then highlight settings and press enter. Select SD card and press enter again, and then highlight card test and press enter. Once you're on this screen, use the up and down buttons to select full test and then press the enter button. The amount of time required will be shown on the screen. So I think it said it was going to take 2 hours. So use the up and down buttons to select execute and press enter. Once completed, the results of the test will be shown on the screen, and you can press the menu button at any time to cancel mid-test. So this one's going to take 2 hours to do, so I'm not going to sit here and watch it. So we'll press the menu button to cancel. And when we've done so, we'll press the menu button to go back to the home screen. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I really hope you found it helpful. Check out the description for all our other tutorials.